From the dawn of every morning, Lord, your love shines bright. You have carried me through darkness. You have been my light. Every day I see your goodness. Every breath I take, I will lift my voice and worship for your holy name's sake. Forever your mercy remains. Forever your mercy remains. Through every season of life, your mercy remains. Forever your mercy remains. Forever your mercy remains. I will praise you all my days. Your mercy remains. When the storms arise around me, you are still my peace. In the valleys and the mountains, your compassion never ceases. You are faithful through the ages, steadfast, strong, and true. I will place my hope completely, Lord, in you. Forever your mercy remains. Forever your mercy remains. Your love surrounds me day and night. Your mercy remains. Forever your mercy remains. Forever your mercy remains. I will sing with thankful heart. Your mercy remains. You have written hope upon me with your mighty hand. You have led me beside still waters, just as you had planned. Generations yet unborn will tell of all you've done. For your kingdom stands forever, everlasting one. From age to age your truth endures. Your promises are sure. Heaven and earth may pass away, but your love will still remain. Forever your mercy remains. Forever your mercy remains. Let all creation join as one. Your mercy remains. faithfulness.